Hello, we're going to pick up where we left off in the last video. So we were working on number 10 here, and where we had left off was we were adding the like exponents together. So I have this over here in Desmos for the u's, 3 over 2 plus 23 over 4. When I switch that into a fraction, gives me 29 over 4. And I'm going to do the same thing for the v's. I need to add the v exponents, so 5 over 2 plus 15 over 4. Switch that to a fraction, and I get 25 over 4. Again, once we start using power of a power rule, we're going to get some kind of unusual looking fractions, but that is okay as long as you've done your math all right. You're going to get some strange fractions, not a problem. The last two, like we've done in the last few problems, you're going to start with the parentheses, the power of a power stuff. Before we get into that, I'm going to clear out my Desmos because it's getting a little messy there. So I'm going to distribute. I'm going to do, for my m's, 2 over 3 times 4. Switch that to a fraction, and I get 8 over 3. Same idea for n's. 7 over 4 times 4, and I get just 7. I haven't messed with the denominator yet, so I'm going to just leave those the same, kind of copy them down so I don't forget about them. Now I need to subtract top exponent minus bottom exponent. So for m's, 8 over 3 minus 1 over 2. Switch that to a fraction, and I end up with 13 over 6 for my m exponent. And then we're going to do the same thing with the n. 7 minus the bottom exponent, 1 over 3. Switch that to a fraction, and I get 20 over 3. That's my final answer for that one. Last but not least, number 12, same idea. We're going to start by distributing. So for x, I'm thinking 3 times 15 over 4, which as a fraction is, or sorry, I meant to do 3 times 5 over 4. Not sure why I made that a 15, which is 15 over 4. And then I'm going to do for the y, 3 over 2 times 5 over 4, as a fraction is 15 over 8. Haven't messed with the denominator yet, so let's just bring it along for the ride. Okay, and then to finish this off, top exponent minus bottom exponent. So x is 15 over 4 minus 2 is 7 over 4. And y, 15 over 8 minus 3 over 4 as a fraction is 9 over 8. So really, it's things we've done before with exponents. We just now have fractions involved. Feel free to use Desmos to do your fraction stuff so you're not spending a lot of time doing lots of fraction operations by hand. That is it for this lesson. Have a fantastic day.